Okay, so now we're ready to add our spice, and we're only going to use three types of spices in this dish. We're going to use three Spanish spices. One's called sazon, that's S-A-Z-O-N, and it's a really good spice. They come in packets, and this is roughly a two package right here, which is about a tablespoon. So we're going to sprinkle that in there. And it's awesome. It gives it this red color, which is great. Okay, and then we're going to use adobo, which is another Spanish seasoning. You can find these in regular grocery stores, and some of them have sections for like international sections. Actually, most grocery stores do. So you can definitely find adobo and sazon in those sections because they're pretty popular. Anyway, so this is about a tablespoon, so we're going to throw that in there. And our third spice, and I call it a spice even though it's liquid, is hot sauce. So we're going to throw our hot sauce in. Because remember, this is spicy Spanish patties. So let's mix these spices in. Get a nice orangey color from the sazon and the hot sauce, of course. To make sure all of the ground turkey has that color. It's looking really good. Make sure you mix that in really well. And there you have it. Okay, so now we're going to strain this to get the excess oil out, and we're going to let it cool.